Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you some tools from our plugin CapCad that can help you in your daily tasks. Today we're gonna deal with blocks, some tools that can automate tasks with blocks. CapCad is a plugin that deals mainly with road marking and signage, as you can see here, but it's got as well some CAD utilities that as I said you might find useful for your daily tasks. So we are dealing with blocks. The tool I want to show you is under here. You'll find block utilities. So what's the first problem? I want to export, I have a DWG and I want to export all blocks that I have in this drawing to external files, like you would do with the wblock command. This one here, but in that case we've got loads of blocks, so we'd like to do that in one go. So when you open this utility, it shows you all blocks you have in this drawing. You can select the ones you want, or in our case let's gonna select all of it, and that's it. And then you just put a valid path here. I'm gonna put a valid path. If it's not valid, it's gonna show you through the color. So yeah, all good. So let's export it. It prompts you before proceeding, then you can proceed. You can cancel anytime if you need. So in my folder here, it has extracted all blocks that I had in that drawing, which can be really useful. Second problem we've got here is that we have loads of blocks in a particular folder and we'd like to just insert all of them just for some checking or something. So let's jump to our utility again. In this case now I'm gonna select insert tab, and I have some parameters here for X spacing, Y spacing. I can play around with those. And same thing, I put a valid path here, and I'm gonna press OK. It's gonna insert all blocks that I had in that folder. It has inserted, so you can do something for blocks, inspect them, or whatever you need. Another useful tool we would like to show you is a tool that simply duplicates an existing drawing that you already have in your drawing. So let's see how it works. Choose which one I want to duplicate. Let's say this one here, A11B. Press OK. A new name, let's put any name here just for the sake of testing. And now, if you have a look at your blocks, the block A11B has been duplicated to this new one we created. So that's it. CapCad has many other tools, and we hope those tools can be useful for your daily tasks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.